Hi guys. There's an ant. Hi. I'm going to get some lettuce here. I am going to try to have lettuce this afternoon. Our supper. Lettuce, sliced cheese, tomato here. I need to get tomato there. Sliced ham. What else? That's it. In is here. She wants to help me picking lettuce. This is first day. I wanna try to pick lettuce here. I think I just cut the leaves. Wow, very nice. Only the wide. Wow. First day, guys. Wow. I let in hold my camera. So she's the camera woman today. Turuniin. Ay, ano eh. Nagdali oh. Sambuka eh. So healthy here guys oh. Nagagmay pa oh. Masungag naman eh. Wow. Wow. Nahumot. Smells good. So yes, Kuya Ani. Okay. And let's go here. And will follow me here. I wanna pick up some tomato. Wow, good size tomato here. Ito ata, mo naman sa kilo. Grabe. See guys. Wow. Good size. Compare here. See? So big difference. Now I think it is almost like may siya variety oh. Variety oh. Wow. Let's go guys. This is good enough. And we still have more there. Okay. Bye. Hi guys. We're back in the kitchen.
Them little dogs in there.
Okay. We're going to put a ham as spam. Then with the buns, here is the lettuce and tomato. Then I'm going to put a cheese. So now I want to slice into a skinny one. That's it. Okay. And put this one in the ref. This is wow. Smells good. Yummy. And here, Okay. Hey guys, time for me to put the spam here. It's hot. Yum yum. Pilit na lang. There you go. This is our supper. One piece of dinner. Supper. Wow. And the cheese, because the spam is still warm. Perfect for the cheese. Wow, yummy cheese. There you go. See guys, and I'm going to slice the tomato. Look, grabe. See the tomato, guys?
Labon na siya.
Wow. Wow. Different variety tomato. There you go. Now I'm going to set here. Another one. Wow. Different tomato really. Then the lettuce. Wow.
Ano ito mayonnaise niya?
Sakto naman. Yummy. More lettuce.
Ano healthy?
One more lettuce. Wow. More lettuce. Okay, that's it. Then put this one. And there. Okay. That's it, guys. What is this? Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye for now.